Ukoretwo ari mutugo wa miaho ya KIUTETI kugithanira na ngoire icoka guthararia thayo wa muingi, mutugo uria ari utamburukite nginyagia makanitha-ini. Thirikari thutha wa gukirwo ni ikundi tiganite ari hamwe na kanitha riu ni heanite mwihoko wa gutacukia kinya ria kiugitiri. Gĩikaro-inĩ kĩnene kĩa DCI hĩndĩ ya ũrugũria wa mũtaratara wa kwandandũra motungata ma borithi kũrĩ mũingĩ, Minista wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ KIPCHUMBA Murkomen nĩ aheanĩte mũkana.
The fear the police had that if they deal with these criminals they don't have public support is now behind us. Deal with these goons ruthlessly because now we have public support from all quarters, including the religious sector that was shielding these goons in churches and calling them our children. I'm happy that there is a national consensus that this issue of goons must be dealt with.
Ona gũtuĩka Murkomen arauga ũhũthĩri wa goons ti ũndũ mũgeni kũrĩ mĩaho yerĩ ya KIUTETI, agĩkuruhania mũtongoria wa DCP Rigathi Gachagua ngahĩha-inĩ cia watho wa kĩgĩna mwaka-inĩ wa 2024 augĩte thirikari nĩ ĩiguĩte kĩrĩro kĩa Akenya.
I want to have a national consensus with politicians that regardless of your political side, when we deal with goons, don't come out and say that I'm a member of this political party, I'm of government, or so forth. The Inspector General of Police is properly directed from a policy perspective to ensure that all these people are dealt with ruthlessly to ensure that this country is safe.
I have confidence in our police service that they will deliver on their mandate to make sure that our country is secure. Mnasema tuendelee ama tuendelee?
No na BIRIGICENI ino ikiambikagwo Murkomen ni oritie Gachagua etheme guthutukania munene wa borithi ona ateti aria matagwatanagira na mithingi yake ya KIUTETI.
Vile tulimalizana na terrorists, tukamalizana na cattle rustlers, tukamalizana na criminals ambao walikuwa na haribu mali ya wa Kenya, pia tutamalizana na our goons.
And I know Mr. Gachagua well. I have worked with him. I know him very well. He's a coward, but he's also dangerous. If you saw the statements he was making, that all the people will protect their vote, the youth will come to police station, they will beat police officers, they did so in Volcalau. That is not an empty statement. What he is trying to do, he wants to recruit a militia before the elections.
Hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro gĩkĩ Murkomen nĩ atũgĩrĩtie mũbango mwerũ wa kuoya irore cia Akenya na njĩra ĩgwete ona kũheana motungata ma certificate cia borithi.
Persons who in the past have slipped through the system will no longer do so because the records will be very clear. We will know who you are. And that is really what it means in practice. It means that Kenyans will get faster, more reliable services. We will also be rolling our biometric enrollment to police stations nationwide so investigation can move faster and services reach people closer home.
Andũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.